Yeah, baby. Let me take you over here to the other side.
I think you're gonna have to be gentle.
Hey y'all, hey, your girl has invested in a MelodySusie 2-in-1 nail drill and nail dust collector. It was time for me to go ahead and upgrade my nail materials, y'all. And these are the drill bits that come with the kit, and this is how the nail drill actually looks. In the next clip, I'm gonna let y'all hear how the fan is. Y'all, the nail drill feels real heavy. Well, not real heavy, but it feels, luxurious. You can tell that it's, a high-priced item, nice quality. And in the next clip, I'm going to show y'all how the drill sounds turned on. As always, y'all know anything that I show on my channel, I leave a link for it down below in the description box so you too can get it. I ordered mine off of Amazon and I do believe it was on a little bit of sale, but check out Amazon and see if it's on sale there. I want to say thank you guys for coming through and watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Looking at your body, goddess Aphrodite. Heard you got that water, baby. Can you come and drown me? I can